Hello, and welcome to Swimology. I'm the swim doctor, here to help you with all your swimming problems. We're going to be talking about the fear of swimming. I know a lot of you have that fear, and that's completely fine. Alright, we're going to learn how to get over it, alright? So, first things first, what you need to do is you need to get in the water. Okay, get in the shallow part of a pool. I was gonna say lake, but I wouldn't try swimming in a lake to start out with. Let's go with the pool. So, learning how to swim, go to your nearest pool. Get in the shallowest section, but you don't want to go too shallow. Go maybe 3 or 4 feet, okay? I recommend 4 feet. Now what you're gonna want to do, you're going to want to just stand in the water, maybe hold the side of the pool, kind of shimmy your way over, do whatever you need to. And what you're going to do is you're just going to stand up, and as you're grabbing the side of the pool or a buoy or whatever you want, you're going to just slowly inch your way into the water, okay? So, water, you want to go up into your chin, stand back up. If that was okay for you, then go down to your mouth and then stand back up. And keep doing this, keep slowly progressing down, go to your nose, go to your goggles, and then go completely underwater. And then just keep doing this. This is what we call head bobs, okay? So you're gonna bob your head up and down. And you're just gonna keep doing that until you get very comfortable with putting your head under the water, okay? That, I think, would be the most important step starting off. You really want to be comfortable being in the water. And if you're not comfortable and you just try to swim, you just try to do what you want to do, it's not going to be fun. And you're never going to learn swimming because you're going to get really scared, because that's really scary. What I would recommend is just keep doing head bobs until you get completely comfortable with the water. And then we'll move on to floating. All right. After this, after you get comfortable with the water, next step is floating, all right? I'll see you guys next time.